I count it a privilege to be part of this organization. Lighting One and CCA have created a culture that I believe parallels, enhances, and yet challenges those of us who are members. And I appreciate that. Our showroom is a member of the Lighting One Cooperative because there's a true value in that relationship. For example, our most recent implementation of the electronic shelf tags, that was a Lighting One CCA global opportunity that was brought to us. Chase payment tag, there's so many things, but also the currency and relevancy and access to information that is so dynamic. Lighting One it's like a highway of information, and it's traveling very fast.
We definitely like the rebate structure. We like the networking, and based upon what we've done today so far, I do like the industry knowledge.